tell you something. Alright. Let me tell you something. Wait.
Hello, welcome to Cash Magnet. Over here we learn how to make money online with your smartphone or your PC or your laptop. So today we're gonna learn how to make money from this website. And this website is called Surfer.b. Yes. So you can advertise through this platform also. You're gonna be charged 0.02 per click if you want traffic to your website or to your video YouTube or to your social media platform, any of the social media platform. But that's not the reason why we are here. Today we're gonna learn how to make money with this platform. So and here you can see that you have two ways of making money on this platform. You can make money on tags or you can make money on traffic. And currently I'm doing both. So if I go to Surfer.pro, which is if you want to make money on the traffic on your traffic page, connecting your website or social media platform through this to make money online. When you click it, it's going to redirect you to a platform called Surfer.pro, which is this one. So as you can see, I've make 0.83 cents here. My nickname is here Black Alpha. My website is here Cash Magnet Online. You can also go to my website to learn how to make money online. Okay, but that's not the reason why we are here today. We are here to make money on task. So if I click on make money on task, so you say Surfer.b/n. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is, you know already, if you don't have an account, you have to create an account. It's very simple to do. You can either create with your email or your Google account. But since I have account already, I'm just gonna log in so that we can see how you can earn money through this website. Okay, so if I click on login here, as you can see, if I click on login here, there's the website and it's showing me advertiser and user. So I'm gonna click on the user here. If I click on this user here, okay, so if I click on this user, you can see that I've made 0.005 cents here in USD. So over here, how you can make money here is very simple. Over here is my statistics. I'm not really doing anything on this website, but I'm making money through my extensions. The more the money I make, more of them come through the extensions that I've installed. So if you can, the first thing you can see is extension. So you can install the extension on your Yandex browser or your Firefox or your Google Chrome. So I chose Google Chrome because I have the Google Chrome. I'm using Google Chrome. So if you look at here, you can see that I'm 22 here, and this 22 is referring to me that I have 22 tasks to complete today, which I haven't done. Yes, but better still, I've made some money today through the extensions. They will just show us under here, and you're gonna get money when the hours vanish. Okay, so how to make money on this website? That's the first one I've shown through the extension. The second one be through watching videos, and the third is through performance tasks. So first I'm gonna show you how to make money through the watching videos, then we'll go through the tasks and see how it works. So if you want to make money here, as you can see, say watch the video for 30 seconds and you're going to earn some dollars here. And if you are consistent on this, you can make from $5 to $10 or even more a day. Yes, so if I click on start, it's very simple. Very simple. So the video hasn't started yet. Okay, so one of the videos, you're just gonna click on it. So once you click on it, when the video starts, as you can see, the video hasn't started yet. When the video starts, it's gonna count down, and when the countdown, when it gets to 0, you're gonna receive your reward. Okay, so as you can see, it's counting down, and the video has started playing here. So you just have to wait for 30 seconds, then you're gonna cash out or you're gonna receive your reward. And this is the very easiest way to make money on this website. And I always prefer this and the extension to the more than the tax, because I can just watch these videos, and these videos are also showing how to make money online, so you can watch them both, then make money here. So it says 0 sec, then automatically the video is gonna be played. You're gonna get out of it, and as you can see, it says you've earned 0.005 here. It is 5 cents dollars. So yes, so we have 4 videos today. So if I click on the next video, which is 20 seconds, let's watch all the videos together, and after that I'm going to show you how to make money with the task method. And the minimum withdrawal from this website is 0.03 cents through your Pay or your Bitcoin address. So once the video is done, you're gonna get your reward, and you can move to the next video and the next video till all the videos are done, and you can perform other tasks to earn money on this website. So as you can see, since you've earned 0.004 here, I'm not going to continue the video. I'm going to show you how you can make money from the other side. Okay, so if I come here, as you can see, my balance has increased. This is my daily income from the extension without doing anything. I just installed the extension. I'm making this money every day. Okay, so the next one is when you get to the achievements. The next way you can make money is through the achievement. Okay, so in the achievements, as you can see, there are certain tasks here. If you perform, you're gonna get reward. So as you can see, I've completed 2 tasks here. It says view 10 banners, and I have done that. View 5 videos, I have done that. So I'm gonna click on it, collect reward, and choose reward. 60 plus increasing rates. So the reward you can choose increase qualification of how is it that it's flowing around. Agreed. Okay, so I've given a reward here. How you can make money. I've claimed my reward here. I'm gonna claim this one later. So now let me show you how you can make money with the task method. And the task method is very simple. You're just gonna view this one. I'm not gonna watch any video. You're just gonna view it, and you're gonna get paid. So if I come to my extension, always the tasks are on the extension. So as you can see, 21 here. If I click on my extension, the extension is not even opening. I don't know what's wrong with this website. So it's like the network is not favorable to me at all today. Okay, so the extension is opening. As you can see, you have tasks here that you can perform. You have 21 tasks here. So you're just gonna view this one for 30 seconds, and I'm gonna get paid like this. So if I click on start here, it's very simple. If you click on start here, you'll be redirected to another page, sometimes their own page or a different page, and I'm just gonna stay there for 30 seconds, and once the 30 seconds is reached, I'm gonna get your reward. So as you can see, the seconds is counting here in blue. My network is not favorable, so it's slowing down. It should have been very fast by now, but it's slowing down because of the internet. So guys, yes, so once this gets to 0, then you're gonna X out from here, and you're gonna get there back and perform more tasks, and you're gonna get money. So let's wait for this one to finish, since it's the network is back online, it's moving. So guys, I'm gonna leave the link in the description below so that you can also join through this website and make money here for free in Ghana or wherever you are in the world. If you are looking for some coins to do your 1-2 or whatever you want to do with it without wasting any money of yours, your 95 work. So guys, let's wait. When it's done, you're gonna X out, and I'm gonna check our reward. Okay, so now it's 0, so you're gonna X out from here. Once you X out, This is gonna change. Then I'm gonna get that. Go there again and perform more taxes, complete more taxes to earn more here. So if I click on here, as you can see, I've made 0.00569 from the extension alone, and today only I've made 0.002 without performing any task. The only task I performed is the one I did to show you. The rest all came from the extension. The extension was going to show you as once the hours are complete, I'm just going to earn money. So that's what I do. I just don't do anything. I just install the extension and